You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. Yes, I said correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you that you need to watch, probably, if you want. Eugen, that's the German pronunciation, okay? So that's the German name, this one, a name of German origin in particular. It might be used in other languages, but let us know. This is German for Eugene. In German, Eugen. Eugen. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.